Hey man, got you Bronco, got you the Bronco Cargo Mats. Check this out here. Bronco Cargo Mat with the bucking Bronco. But hey, you want to use your hooks? Not real easy, is it? And you don't want to do what I did in cutting up the mat and butchering it. Let me show you what happened. WeatherTech Cargo Mat butchered up. You'd expect more from WeatherTech, wouldn't you? I can honestly say that Ford is up on their game. Do this. Flip your mat upside down. And check this out. Looky there. See a little scissors mark? It tells you exactly where to cut out. Other side. 2. Look at that. Arrow pointing to it. Scissors. I have no idea what that cutout is for. Must not be for a 24 Raptor. Want to use those top ones. Same thing there. Little scissors. Pretty cool, huh? And you didn't know that. That's it. See ya.